Hey guys, I'm just gonna real quick show you a quick application for EQing. So basically, I have this contact a piano instrument, the grounder, open here, and I'm gonna play two notes for you. Okay? So you got C and D sharp 2, I guess. Okay. One thing you would notice if you're playing these two on this instrument is that it sounds like there's the seventh in there. Do you hear it? Okay, so basically what it looks like is that particularly when you trigger the middle note, or the second note, it triggers a certain frequency. So like, and you can hear it like if you really boost it, but the solution here is basically to cut it out. So you have to find it first. So remember, it's this one here. This is this seventh. And for some reason the third has the seventh in it because it's resonating as well. Like one of the strings are also resonating. Like probably the seventh string is resonating here when you trigger the third. So this is a technical EQ problem, and it's something that you can easily get out or take out with an EQ. And so basically I'll just play like a couple chords here. This is before, and then this is after. You see, I was never triggering the seventh in any of these chords, but in the first version you heard the seventh. So anyway, hopefully that was helpful, and thank you for watching. Alright, so have a good day. Bye.